Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to block unwanted calls on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone and tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now just tap on settings. Now from here, just tap on block numbers. Now from here, just enable this toggle to block unwanted calls on your smartphone. Now, once you enable this toggle, it will block calls from unknown numbers on your smartphone. Now, if you want to block calls from specific numbers on your smartphone, just add the number over here, just like that. And once you add the number, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now, once you do that, you will block the calls from the numbers which you have entered, just like that. And this is how you can block unwanted calls on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.